Windows Defender runs constantly in the background, scanning files and using up valuable RAM and CPU cycles. If you use a third-party antivirus or need maximum performance for gaming, the built-in switch in settings will automatically turn back on after a few hours. Here is how to disable it permanently using a safe, open-source tool. First, we need to temporarily turn off the self-protection layer. Open your Start menu, type Windows Security, and open the app shortcut. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings row. Scroll down to find Tamper Protection and turn the toggle switch to off. Close the window. Second, open your web browser, search for the official tool called Defender Control from Sordum and download the latest zip folder. Extract the folder to your desktop, open it, right-click on the dcontrol application file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on any system prompts. Finally, a small green interface box will pop up on your screen. Click the big button labeled Disable Windows Defender. The interface box will instantly turn red, indicating that all background security services, background scanners, and real-time filters are locked and completely disabled. Restart your computer to apply the change, and you will instantly free up massive background hardware resources. If this quick system optimization guide helped you unlock your hardware performance, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.